Hi, my name is Daniel here at Swansway Honda Stockport, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used Toyota CHR Dynamic. It features the 1.8 litre petrol hybrid system. It's currently done 26,615 miles and it's finished in the very vibrant Cyan Splash. It's an incredibly stylish looking vehicle. It sits nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels finished in black. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. The CHR also features keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. You can unlock and start the vehicle without taking the key fob out of your pocket. In the boot you'll find 388 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,106 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear you'll find your lovely cloth interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. On your steering wheel to the left here you have controls for adjusting your infotainment system. To the right you have controls for the display in the instrument cluster as well as your radar cruise control, which is perfect for those motorway commutes. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to different driving data such as your average fuel consumption. There's an energy monitor for the hybrid system and even a digital speedometer. You can also access your navigation and audio menus as well as vehicle messages, and you also have settings here which include your lane departure warning system, blind spot monitoring and pre-collision warning system, all features that keep you nice and safe when you're on the road. Centered in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system that features DAB radio. You can also play your own music through USB, auxiliary input and Bluetooth. It does come with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You also have Bluetooth telephone connectivity, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. There's also your Toyota Online feature where you can access different applications and information. In the vehicle menu you've got access to the energy monitor as well as trip information and past trip records. In your settings you've got different system and vehicle settings available to you. The CHR features a reverse camera, parking sensors and even park assist to make parking as easy as possible. Below from the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. This features heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. You've got a USB and auxiliary slot there, and in the center console you'll find two cup holders as well as your automatic gear selector and electronic handbrake.